Hey Spuds, I'm Floppy Potato and welcome back to Hollow Knight. Yeah, just died and it was very sad. And now this guy's mad. You broke it. I gave you that charm as a gift and you broke it, clumsy little fool. Nasty. Is there a way Oh, you can fix it for me if I pay you. I don't have the money to pay you right now. But it's good to know you can repair them. You know, as creepy as I thought you were, I appreciate you, sir. Now I'm gonna try to get my stuff back. This is gonna be interesting. Let's do that. That helps. And I believe it was this way. No. It was other way. I think the fungal waste is just, the craziest place for my skills at platforming, because I am not good at those jumping things. Had to focus a little bit there for the acid water. And down we go. I was lucky there was a platform there. Deadly enemies. I don't think I'm going the right way. Nope, but it got me away from the deadly enemies for a minute. There's... Hello. Yeah, I figured you were just saying the same stuff as before. Okay, bye, Cloth. Favorite, what appears to be an ally. Maybe over time I'll get better at these. I say that as I did pretty well on that, but don't want to acknowledge I did well because I'm probably going to fail next time. And it's going to be embarrassing. Ah. And that's the way I need to go. Yay. Making progress. Gotta handle this in a better planned way. Get all the geo I can get to fix that charm to get more geo. Oh, I was gonna say temporarily run away, but then it didn't really help. Okay, I found an area. I hit the wrong button. Oh. I didn't find a new area, I just found a different side of area. Although I wasn't able to explore very well because of these things, not knowing how to deal with them. Now I do know how to deal with them, I'm just not good at using them yet. Oh, come on. It shouldn't be this hard. What's up there anyways? Is this worth it? I don't even know if this section is worth it. I've already been up there, haven't I? Yeah. Down here would be more worth it. Wait a minute. Ow. Sir, come back here so I may slice you. This is that door I couldn't get open earlier. Yeah. Or it's a door I couldn't... It's not the door that I was thinking of, but it's a door I couldn't get open. Awesome. Where to explore? Down to the left or down to the right at those two areas? Let's do down to the left first. I think I'm a bit closer to exploring that area. Let's heal. Okay, I can't go that way. At least not from this angle. And not from that angle too. I have a possible idea of how to get over there. I might be wrong. I'm definitely wrong. There's gotta be a secret to over there. I'm not gonna learn it yet. So to the right and then down we'll go. Ooh, Geo. And then down. Carefully down. Okay, there's gotta be a way to get up there. I don't think it's like that. That seems a little bit ridiculous. Yeah, no, that's not a way to do that. We're gonna go this way. I have a feeling there's gonna be a boss somewhere over here. Oh, hello. Lovely. Is there a bench closer to that? I guess Queen Station, kinda. It's not that close, though. That much closer. Hiya! Wow, I did that pretty well. At least in my opinion, I did that pretty well. Yes, make your noises of entertaining sounds. Wah to you too. I guess that journal updated. I would like to read that journal. I don't want to bore people with the journal reading though. That... I am hitting all the wrong buttons. Okay, I was trying to look at my map longer than that, but it kind of closed because I think I released pressure on the button too much. But I think I know what I'm doing. You know, we'll try the shortcut. We may fail at the shortcut, but we will give it a try. I did it! Okay, that was towards, what is her name? Hornet? Am I remembering that correctly? I spent a lot of time fighting her. I should remember her name better. Hello. May I have my stuff back? Thank you. Okay, there's nothing over here. But there's an enemy here. How do I fight you? I somehow killed you, but I hurt myself too much. Ah. These enemies make me scared. Especially these guys. I don't know how to deal with you guys. I guess like attack and run away maybe? I'll try that next time I have to fight one of those guys. Oh! I guess... there's one down there. My plan didn't work. This is alarmingly scary. I'm not sure what to do. I can handle you. I know your attack pattern. As I fail to hit you for the last time. That's how I would go down. Is there something more over here though? Maybe not an enemy. There's a nice area up there that I am interested in. Wow. I would say we both suck, but I think it's more of me not being good at this. You're just an enemy that's programmed to not be perfect. Inspecting thing. Wander is seeking death. Welcome. May you find swift end upon our claws. That's not what I want, but okay. I'm not seeking death. I do want to find that arena, though. It's not really me seeking death, that's me seeking a place where I most likely will die a lot. New area. Unexplored lands. Enemies that I don't know how to deal with. If anyone has tips on how to deal with those, and I don't figure it out by the time I get those tips, I would very much appreciate it. I think my running away strategy was like a good strategy, but I'm not good at that. I think it's literally just the thorny thing I have. Oh, is this a resting bench coming down here? I don't know what to do. There's a lot of enemies attacking all at once. Help. 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 Thank you. You know, for now, since this doesn't work, I'm gonna put this back. Seems like a smart decision to me. That's not a button that I wanted to use. I can go over there, or I can attempt to not die and go other places. Oh, there's a large amount of geo over there. If I can just get there and not die. Good job at the not dying thing. Are you a friend or a foe? You are making sad sounds, though. Is there a way to get up to you? Or do I have to go down to go up? That was not what I intended to do. What is this? Inspect. Dashmaster? What is? Bears the likeness of an eccentric bug known only as the Dashmaster. The bearer will be able to dash more often as well as dash downwards, perfect for those who want to move around as quickly as possible. I'm not sure exactly what that entails, but I kind of want to check it out. I can't do anything about that now anyways. Hopefully I remember to put that on and try it later. I don't know how to help you, friend or foe. I don't think me doing that is helping. Yeah, I don't know. I'm at a loss at the moment. Didn't have to remember for long. Yeah. I can dash downwards. I don't know what it means by dash more off. That part I'm not so clear on. I still don't know how to deal with you guys. Okay, I did better, but I don't know how I did better. Oh. Okay. No, I wanna go up further. Help. Ah. There's no time to heal. Oh no. Oh, I overshot that. Ow. You are painful and deadly, and I dead. I think there was a place behind that. Yeah. I want to explore there next. But that requires me not to die. Okay. You're not who I want to deal with. You are. Okay, that kind of worked out for me. Not intentionally, but now I can check this place out. Whatever this place is. Oh, I'm not even on the map. I don't know how I feel about this place. Big jump. Mantis Village? A new place? I don't know how to deal with all these things right now. Let's see. Oh, there's a little switch up there that doesn't help me from where I am. It's like I have to get in really close only to get hurt because I can't get away fast enough. Ow. I think for now I will do a strategic retreat. Or not. I don't have a way to retreat. Anyways, trying to end this episode here without dying. If you enjoyed it, mash those like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you in the next video, which will pick up right here. So, stay starchy, spuds.